Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will use whole number multiplication to express equivalent measurements. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So today, the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is we have 3 weeks and we want to find out how many days is it equal to. So 3 weeks is equal to blank days. So the first thing that I know is I had 3 weeks is equal to 3 times 1 week, right? So in order to get 3 weeks, I had to take 1 week and multiply it by 3. Now, I know that 1 week is equal to how many days? Yeah, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So we can multiply 3 times 7 days because 1 week and 7 days is the same amount of time. They're equivalent. So now, in order to find out how many days it is, I can take 3 times 7 days, which is going to give me 21 days. All right, so 3 weeks is equal to 21 days. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at this problem over here. So we have 1 and 5 meters is equal to how many centimeters? So before we dive into this problem, we are going to use our star reference chart, and we can find that by going to our Google Classroom and going to classwork. And right here, you'll see something that says resources. They might not always be highlighted. Ooh, let me go to all. This is what you guys should see when you see it. And you're going to go ahead and click on star reference chart. So when you click on star reference chart, you'll see this chart right here, which is going to give you formulas for perimeter and area and volume. But if you scroll down, it'll also give you some conversion lengths of what are equivalent measurement lengths. Okay, so that's where you can find this chart. Now, for the sake of this presentation, I just snipped a few of the pieces here. So we have our conversion chart right here. So we want to go ahead and convert 1 meter to centimeter, or 1.05 meters to centimeters. So I know in order to get to 1.05 meters, let me go ahead and draw that. So 1.05 meters is equal to 1.05 times 1 meter. Okay, now we want to change this over to centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and use my chart. So I know that we are looking for length. Meter and centimeters are length. So we're going to go over here and see if we can find meter and centimeters. So I see that right here. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So for every 1 meter, I have 100 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply that by 1.05 because those are equal now, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply 1.05 times 100, which is equal to 105 centimeters. So 1.05 meters is equal to 105 centimeters. Okay, everyone, let's review today's lesson objective. So today we used whole number multiplication to express equivalent fractions. All right, everybody, thank y'all so much for joining me today. It's been such a great time going over this with you, and I hope this was a helpful lesson. I'll see y'all next time and have a fantastic day. Bye, everybody.